How to delete accessories in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of removing accessories from your Roblox inventory. We'll attempt this through the Roblox website and the Roblox Player application. Upon signing into our account on www.roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, we'll navigate to our avatar page to view our items first. Despite our efforts to delete items by clicking on them, there is no option to delete or prompt for the deletion. Even searching for items or accessing their pages do not provide a delete option. Within the Roblox player, the same issue persists. There is no way to delete items from our profiles. Unfortunately, as of 2023 or 2024, Roblox has removed the feature to delete items from our inventories. This video aims to inform viewers that the deleting accessories in Roblox is currently not possible. So if you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.